Hello everyone. Look Partner Program helps distributors, integrators and resellers around the world to provide high quality service to their customers, earning money with us. And today we already have more than 60 authorized partners in more than 40 countries globally. The current program has two levels, standard and white label. The first option will be an excellent choice for partners who are just trying their hand at the digital signage market or are integrating complex projects based on products from various manufacturers and vendors. It contains the availability of permanent partner discount from our online prices, work with a personal account manager, training and certification. The process of entering the program at this level is simplified as much as possible. It's just necessary to sign the NDA, undergo a short training on how to work with the CMS and pass a simple assessment. In its turn, the white label level will certainly be more interesting for those who are already promoting or initially planning to promote a set of services and solutions for their clients under the umbrella of their own brand. Taking this option, you will get a CMS interface with your logo and the main color on your domain name. At the same time, all of this will be still hosted on the Look servers. This option, in fact, allows you to launch your own digital signage service without any significant investments and sell it to your customers with any value added, while also using the increased partner discount which we provide. I'm sure our conditions will pleasantly surprise you. I would also like to note that both levels of the partner program give you an access to the convenient partner admin account, which allows you to independently manage your balance, create and delete client sub-accounts, change their plans, and so on. Well, looks like that is all I was going to tell you. Thanks for your attention. Looking forward for your questions and inquiries. See you!